Hi, this is lesson 4 of our Seasons and Weather unit, and today we are going to be reading about summer. We need to discuss our vocabulary first. Distinct is something that is clearly different from other things. Indoors means inside a building. Sunscreen is lotion or spray that protects the skin from the sun. And a thermometer is a tool that measures temperature. The purpose for listening is today's main idea of the story is about summer, and I want you to listen carefully and be able to tell me characteristics about summer. Dear kindergartners, hi from your pen pal Annie. Today I'm going to tell you about summer. What kinds of things do you like to do whenever it is summer? Pause to answer this question and play when you're ready. My favorite season of the year is definitely summer because I love the warm weather and sunshine. Summertime means vacation because I don't have school during the summer months. At the beginning of summer, our part of the earth receives the most sunlight that it will get all year long. The days are the longest they will be all year in the summer. Excuse me. In most of the United States, the summer season begins in the month of June and includes the months of July and August. No matter where you live in the United States, summertime will bring the warmest weather of the year. One way to tell how warm it is outside is to look at a thermometer. Remember that a thermometer is a tool that measures the temperature. When it is cool outside, the liquid in the thermometer stays down in the lower part of the thermometer. When it is warm outside, the liquid rises in the thermometer and comes close to the top. Which thermometer do you think shows what the temperature might be like in the summertime? Pause and play when you're ready. Do you remember that when we talked about the winter months, we said you could also tell how cold it was by the way people dress? The same is true in summer. You can tell how warm it is by the way people are dressed. All of these people are dressed for warm weather. What do you notice about the way they are dressed? Pause and play when you're ready. As I've told you before, I live in Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. My teacher says that Washington, D.C. is a good city to learn about when studying the seasons because here the 4 seasons are distinct from one another. It's easy to tell by walking outside or looking out the window whether it is winter, spring, summer, or autumn. Summer is the busiest time of the year in Washington, D.C. because each year millions of Americans come to visit the famous monuments, museums, and buildings during their summer vacations. The city gets really crowded during the summer, but I like to see all the different kinds of people downtown. During the summer, the weather can be very hot in Washington, D.C. See how high the liquid in the thermometer is to the left? It says it is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it is really hot outside. It is a good thing there are so many vendors who sell cold refreshments, like ice cream and snow cones to help visitors cool off. The trees in Washington, D.C. are full of green leaves during the summer. In my neighborhood, there are lots of parks with grassy areas that are mowed so people can enjoy them. On weekends, many of my neighbors are out working in their flower beds and gardens. I like to go to the local swimming pool to keep cool in the summer, and lots of other people have the same idea. Everyone at the pool is wearing plenty of sunscreen so they don't get sunburned. Nothing ruins summer fun like a bad sunburn. Sometimes you can rest under shady trees to protect yourself from the hot sun. Other people simply stay indoors, especially on the hottest days. The 4th of July is the biggest summer holiday, and it is an especially important day in Washington, D.C. The 4th of July is the birthday of the United States, and many people celebrate the day with family and friends. Lots of my friends have picnics or barbecues and take trips to the beach. I like to go to the parades during the day on the 4th of July and then to the booming, colorful fireworks at night. I also love eating lots and lots of watermelon. Thanks to the 4th of July and trips to the pool and the beach, I always think of fun times when I think about summer. What is it like during the summer where you live? Your friend, Annie. Pause to discuss about summer and play when you're ready. Pause to discuss these questions and play when you're ready. Pause to discuss and play when you're ready. Pause to discuss and play when you're ready. Pause and play when you're ready. Pause and play when you're ready. Pause and play when you're ready. And this is a sentence you can write on your journal page. That concludes lesson 4. See you next time. Still love and miss y'all so much.